Welcome. If you want to clean storage in your SONY Xperia L4, let's go for the settings. Oh, come on. Right now we have to go for the storage right here. Then click on the free up space. And there's the examples, so maybe we can take off the Outlook because this application is not used in the last year, so we don't need it for sure. Click on the free up, tap on the free up space, and there's the automatically manage storage. So this depends of that you want to turn it on or off. As I will say the no thanks. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.